National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fulton County, Kentucky, southeastern Hickman County, Kentucky, southwestern Graves County, Kentucky, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fulton to near Clayton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fulton, Hickman, Casey, Fulgham, Water Valley, Bondurant, and Dukedom. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 10. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Fulton, Graves, and Hickman. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for the purchase area.